Hey everyone, this is Home Game, and I found a free online map creator, and I figured I would bring you guys with me to share in Discovery because I barely touched it. Like, I've done some surface level stuff just now. It's called Dungeon Scrawl. I've done some surface level stuff, but I haven't really dug into it too much. I did see how the save function works, and it saves locally. So when you hit save, you just pick a directory on your computer to save it on. And next time you go to the website, you can open it back up and do stuff to it, which I thought was pretty awesome. Um, I started out my career as a drafter, so I was kind of just trying to find some kind of drafting software to use because I can create all the little tidbits and blocks and stuff that I would need to easily make a map. But this is even easier than what I was thinking about doing. Just watch this. I can go to, they have different themes you can toggle between. Um, I'm choosing like the classic map look, but if you were to pick this theme, it should box it in differently. Yeah. So if you like this one better, then you can always toggle to that. And then they have this. This is like a papyrus type background. There's a black and white version, more crisp, enclosed walls. So I just did this. It took me uh, 5 minutes to figure out how the save function works and to draw this simple little map. Um, but these are all the layers. There's not a whole lot of layers for free. They also offer a pro version. I haven't seen exactly what's included in the pro version, but we can look. Um, there's the shape section over here on the left hand tab is empty, but the images, there seem to be a decent amount of images. I haven't scrolled very far. But they have doors, locked doors. What's this? See, when you click on an image over here, it just kind of drops it in the center of the page here. You can resize it as you want. This looks like some kind of rough, sloping stairway or something. So if you were to click on this, it would just, oh, that's nice. It's like a vector image too, so it doesn't cover anything up. So you can drop this mist in here. What'd be nice is if you could export it to maybe exporting it to something you can drop into Roll20 or something would be in the pro section. But there are ways that you can just screen cap this or something if you really wanted to. Oh wait, there's a download section. Oh, subscribe for cloud save with Pro. You can save your edits to the cloud to simplify your map making process. Oh, what's this do? I just click download. And I don't have anything. $7 a month for Pro apparently. And it has dark mode, PDF export, multiple maps per save file, import one save file into another high res export, export resolution, use maps commercially, paper texture overlays, lighting early access. It says with more to come. So clicking download didn't seem to do anything for me. So, but still an awesome little map making It's free online tool. DungeonCrawl.com. This. Oh, it's just a hand tool. And then after you drop stuff, you can select it and move it around more. There's a sidebar here that lets you kind of like, I can alter the opacity of the sarcophagus or coffin. Looks like I could trash it. I could toggle visibility off and on. So you could potentially, oh, here's an export button. Oh, I can export a PNG file. Pixels per cell, that'll help you get it right. Or if you want to re-upload it into Roll20, see if I can export it. Yeah. Pretty straightforward. And it looks like the grid starts at the very edge of the page, so that would import into Roll20 pretty well. Let's see what this is. Plugins. I could import other maps. I'm sure I wouldn't be able to do the dynamic overlay or anything on it, but I can add paper texture. If you have Pro, you can add paper textures. But let me show you how these walls work, because this is pretty awesome. I'm on the wrong. Toggle back over to the same wall. Because if you have the same wall, it should actually just like create a hallway there. Oh, not doing it now. Huh. It'll do it on that one. Wonder if it's because I walked off the page or something and came back. Because see how it lets you expand? It's nice that you can do that. Come back. I wish I knew why it is doing that. It's probably because I was messing with a bunch of settings and then came back to it. And it maybe it's even because I closed and saved. See if you, yeah, it just treated it as, maybe it's just a different layer. Yeah, maybe that's it. Let's see if we can figure out what layer this is on. See, that worked. I know you guys are watching me fumble in real time here. No, actually it's just putting it under it is what it's doing. Oh, there you go. See, the walls are on layer 4. I was on the wrong layer, which is why it wasn't populating correctly. It wasn't doing it correctly. So once I found the layer that the original walls were on, now it's working correctly. Can I just, oh look, I can hide that layer. Can I delete it? Yeah, there we go. So if I go to layer 4, that's where all the walls are, and maybe that'll tell me. So just be careful if you leave and then come back and try to add more walls, you might just be on a different layer. That's pretty straightforward though. That's basic. What's this? Path tool? Oh, don't tell me. Oh, look at that. That's awesome. That is awesome. Wall tool. We just drop some walls in. I'm gonna have to. Was this a secret? What's a select tool? Oh, it's just a different type of select tool. Oh, there's a door tool. I was doing doors the wrong way. I went to images and then selected a door and dropped it in, but there's a door tool. You drop in some text. Let's see, can I? Okay, so the text is also appearing there. How do I move it? Okay, I spin it. Maybe I have to. Yeah, there we go. Let's see, you can change the color of the text. Change the font size. Change the font. Color. Dark red. Make the font size 70. Awesome. So yeah, man. Dungeonscrawl.com. It's a great way to free tool for creating dungeons. It's easier than many things I have seen and definitely less expensive. I don't know. Now it looks like with this you can create. I don't know why you would need more than what I'm seeing right now. These look great. The only downside of this might be that, and look at all this space too. You have tons of space to create it. But with this, you might have to work on like if you're gonna have multiple levels, you can probably put them all on this one page. You have some massive dungeon, you're gonna run out of space. But it looks like you need to, like, it's the pro said you get multiple pages essentially, I think. But with this, you're gonna have to do one page at a time, load one page at a time. You're not gonna be able to toggle between multiple open pages. With Pro, you might be able to. That's what it seems to be what it's saying. Look at a couple of different versions. See, that's one of the maps. One of the maps. Simplified one, like a blueprint style. Yeah, I mean, and if you wanted to do more, $7 a month. I mean, that's if you pay for that for a year, it's still cheaper than any kind of drafting software I've seen. I haven't seen much. I haven't priced out a bunch of dungeon building software, but like I said, this seems like everything that you would need. So check it out, dungeonscrawl.com. I'll put I'll put a path in the description. I still don't think my links are working yet for YouTube, but and have fun building some dungeons. And the learning curve is real low here. It looks pretty simple. If you try this out and you love it, please leave a comment. I like engaging with people. If you know some much better software to use, comment that too, because I'd like to check it out. Thanks for listening. See you in the next video.